Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5018427 on your Windows 11 computer. So if you're receiving any kind of error message or for any reason if you're unable to install, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to run update troubleshooter. Now for this, go to the start menu and then click on settings to open Windows settings. Now go to system. Now scroll down, click on troubleshoot. Now click on other troubleshooters. Now over here you will see Windows Update. In front of it you will see the run option. Click on run. Now once the troubleshoot is complete, restart your computer. So once the troubleshoot is complete, restart your computer, and then after the system restart, try updating your Windows 11 once again. Now still you are unable to update, then restart Windows Update and background intelligent transfer service. For this, type in services in Windows search box and then click on services over here. Now find Windows Update in the list. Scroll down at the end over here you can see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update. Set it to automatic over here and then click on apply. Click on start if highlighted. So if start is highlighted, click on start and then click on OK. Now with Windows Update selected over here, click on restart the service. Now find background intelligent transfer service. Make a double click over here. Set it to automatic. Click on apply. Click on start if highlighted and then click on OK. With this selected, now click on restart the service. Now once done, now try to update your Windows 11 once again. But still you are unable to update. In that case, use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now this might work. So copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Over here, write down the name of the update. So the update name is KB5018427. So click on search over here. Now over here find your system. So for me this is the system, that is Windows 11 version 22H2 for x64 based system. If you want to see what kind of system you have, so go to settings system and then click on about. Over here you will come to know. In my case system is 64-bit, so this is the right update, Windows 11 x64 based system. Click on download. Now you will see the blue hyperlink. Click on it and then let the download complete. Once you click on this blue hyperlink, if nothing happens, you can make a right click and then click on save link as, go to desktop, and then you can click on keep over here. You will see the keep option over here. So just download it manually over here, this particular update. Once you download it, once the download is complete, run this exe file, run this file. Once the installation is complete, restart your computer. After installation is complete, restart your computer and then check. So you can update it manually also using the Microsoft Update Catalog. Now if that does not work, you can use Windows 11 Installation Assistant. For this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description and then go to Microsoft website. Over here you can see Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now if there is any pending update over here, you will see the option to accept and install. So click on accept and install. Now once, if Windows 11 Installation Assistant is not opening, so you click on exe file. If it does not open, in that case you can go to the download location in File Explorer and then make a right click on Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Make a right click and then click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow and check. If that does not work, make a right click and then select properties, go to compatibility and then run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 7 over here and then click on apply. Click on OK, make a double click. It will open Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Click on accept and install. Now still you are unable to install Windows Update. In that case, reset Windows Update components. For this, copy all these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. So copy till here. And now open Notepad on your computer. Paste all the command over here. And then click on File. Then click on Save As. And name this file as, you can set the location as desktop. Name this file as wufix.bat. And then for save as type, select all files. And then now click on Save. Now go to desktop. Now over here you will find your wufix.bat file. So make a right click on wufix file and then click on Run as administrator. Make sure that you're opening this file as an administrator. Click on Yes to allow and it will open command prompt. Now first of all, it will stop all the Windows update services and then it will run some scans. Now there are a couple of scans, so the scan will take some time. Now once all the scans are complete, it will restart Windows update services. So first of all, let the scan complete. So the scan will take time. Once the scan is complete, it will restart all the Windows update services. And then once the process is complete, you can restart your computer. After the system restart, update your Windows 11 once again. Now still, if nothing is working, you can use media creation tool to update your Windows 11. Go to this website. Here also you will find media creation tool. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now this will load Windows 11 media creation tool. Now click on accept. By default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file, then click on next. You can save the location. You can set the location as desktop and then click on save over here. Now once the download is complete, click on finish and then go to desktop, find Windows ISO file, make a double click on Windows ISO file, then run the setup file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow. This will load Windows 11 now. And here you can see install Windows 11, click on next. It will check for update, then click on accept. Again, it will check for update. Now before the installation, you will see the screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. Click on install. After the installation, log into your computer. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install these updates successfully on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.